Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's your girl, the Sass, exploring all the finer things in life. In this week's video, I'll be unboxing the 360 makeup organizer right here that I got from Amazon. Before I get into this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss an upload from your girl. So last week, you guys remember, I was fixing up my little dresser, changing the hardware knobs on my dresser, and you know, I have a whole bunch of perfume and I'm trying to make actually space on the dresser. So I decided to purchase one of these. It's not gonna be for my makeup, it's gonna be for my perfume. So I decided to order this from Amazon and see how it turns out and if it will make more space for my dresser. Let's unbox this beautiful 360. It's right here if you see. I'll also leave the link down below. This is how it looks like. After we set up the 360 makeup organizer, I'm finally gonna go out and get my side table or my center table. I haven't decided which one I'm gonna get yet. As you guys remember, last week I was talking about getting into more home decor stuff. So I'm gonna go pick up my side table or my center table from HomeSense. So I'll be adding that to the video, so you don't wanna miss that, okay? But let's set up this organizer first and do all that good stuff, and then I'll get ready and we'll go ahead and get ourselves to HomeSense and do what we gotta do, all right? Okay guys, this is how it turned out. It's really, really nice. I love it. Those little circle rubber bands that I showed you, I guess they're for to put here to secure it, to secure these little pieces from moving, because it was like wobbly, but now there's okay. Let's see how it looks when I put on all my perfume stuff and my lotions and stuff like that. this is how it turned out with most of my perfumes. I actually really like it. It's pretty. I'm gonna add some more perfumes and lotions on there. As you can see, I have a little space here left that I can add a little something something. A space here that I can add something else. Up here, I still have so much space up here where you can just add little stuff like, I put my nail polishes. I have one more nail polish that I want to put up here. I have this little perfume that I just shove right here. It's really cute, so I think I might just add a little bit more stuff here. It's cute, it's cute, it's cute, and it turns. I love it. Totally worth the money. This was about, I believe I paid about like 30 bucks for it, $32, maybe 35. I'll put the link down in the description box for you guys, okay? So no worries, but I think she's worth it. All right guys, I'm currently on my way to HomeSense to pick up the side table that I'm going to be putting in my room. I hope it's still there. I was choosing between getting the side table or the center table first. Me and my kids agreed, well, we voted and we agreed that we're gonna get the side table first. So I can't wait to show you guys. I hope it's still there, because if you know HomeSense, you know that like once something is there one day, sometimes it's not there the next day. So let's get going and let's go pick it up and see if it's still there. We're keeping our fingers crossed. If it's not there, then we will have to get the center table. But yes, let's go. Okay guys, here it is guys. This is the center table right over here. And this is the side table right here. It matches. Here she is guys. I love her. This is how the side looks like. It matches the center table kinda. I gotta call someone so we can pick it up or have them bring it to the front for us. Okay guys, I just got my side table that I'm gonna put in my room. You guys remember when I put up this picture a few videos ago? It's gonna go right in front of here, and yes, you guys are gonna watch me do so, okay? Okay guys, this is it. Don't watch all the extra stuff that's on it. Honestly, originally I just wanted like something to put in my room where I can just decorate and make it look nice, like almost like a grab and go station. You know, like when you put like stuff like your keys and stuff like that, grab and go, you know, just to have stuff to put little knickknacks or whatever. But then I realized, I'm like, oh my god, I can make it into a little desk. Look, I brought my chair from the basement, because originally sometimes like when I vlog or when I'm talking to you guys, I'm in my basement and I have it like set up down there for like vlogging purposes. But I'm like, I thought about it once I put this in my room and I said, oh my goodness, like I could put this as a little desk. Like I have my laptop here. This is a little book that I got for 2022, my book of ideas. I got a book from my sister. My old book is filled, it's finished, there's no more space, so I had to update and get a new one. This is my Nikon camera. I sometimes vlog with it, not too much. It's like so high tech and I don't know how to use it, but look how cute she is guys. She's super high tech and I have no idea how to use it. So every time I vlog on my Canon camera, which is a little bit smaller. This is the one I'm using now. I just decided to just add a little knickknack. This is my evil eye tree. You know, you gotta be well protected here. These will not stay here. Maybe this will stay here, but this, which is my cat, which is originally for a candle. I got this from, oh my god, where did I get it from? Oh, I got it from Bath & Body Works, because I love me some mermaids. That's her right there. This will probably go on my side table. And then here I got my little chair. I brought my chair, like I said, from the basement where I sometimes shoot my videos. And I decided, I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna put this up here and maybe do some work in my room in front of my girl right over here with her little Chanel earrings. But yes, I'm excited. I never honestly thought, when I wanted this table and wanted to get this table, I never ever thought of it as like a desk or a working like little station, mini station in my room. But then I like started to put little stuff together. I'm like, oh my god, my laptop can go on here. Oh my gosh, it can go in here. Oh my gosh, that can go on here. And I got excited, and this is how it is. So for the time being, I'm gonna make it as like my little working station in my room. It probably won't stay like that, or I might just go in between, like somewhere to put my laptop, my grab and go station. And yeah, so this is how it is. This is the desk. I will go back for the center table. That's actually originally what I wanted, but like I said, when it comes to like HomeSense and stuff, it's my little crown. Y'all remember her. When it comes to HomeSense and stuff, if you don't pick up right away, not necessarily right away, but soon, it eventually goes, because there's actually 2 different designs of side tables. The other design was like, it didn't have the little triangular design. It was just straightforward, and that one was gone. So now I finally got this one, and definitely soon have to go back for my center table, because like I was telling you guys, I'm in the process of revamping, redecorating my entire house little by little, and of course I want you guys to come with me. So for now, this is just for now, okay? Once I start getting more stuff for you guys, I'll definitely put everything together and let you guys see what I've been up to. But for now, this is my little cool station. I love her. Oh my god, I'm so happy I got her. I'm gonna go sit and obviously going to edit my video here. All right guys, as you guys see, I already got my side table. I decided to get my side table first and then go back and get the center table after. The side table was around $200. It's placed in my room. I love it, as I showed you the little knickknacks that I have on there. But this is the end of my video, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and you guys know I'll be back with another. I'll see you guys again. Bye.